Hey there everybody, and Happy New Year to you. This will be my last video of 2024, and I just want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being part of the channel and supporting Crate Insider. I really appreciate all of the racers who have been customers or contributed. Really appreciate that a lot. And I just wanted to make a couple of announcements. You know, in past years I have done like a countdown list at the end of the year, but I decided this year I know that we have several new products that I'm going to be able to release in less than 2 weeks. So coming up, not this weekend, but next weekend, January 10th and 11th is the Cars Racing Show, and that's happening in Hickory, North Carolina. Now it does happen to be my show, but also Crate Insider is going to have a big booth there, and we'll be bringing basically a pop-up store. So that's what we're working on right now. But I would hate to do a countdown or a preview of 2025 without being able to show you guys some of the new products. And I know about a few. I don't know about all of them. I know about a few, but I don't want the information to be outdated in less than a week. So what I would love for you to do is come and join us at the Cars Racing Show. You can go get tickets even at CrateInsider.com. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them into the comments of this video. But we're also going to be doing something special. We just decided today, so I don't even have it ready, but we are going to prepare our 2025 engine recommendations, at least for the 602s and the 604s. And you'll be able to take that and be able to shop it at the show. And again, after we come back and we get a lot of these new products listed, then you'll be able to download that up on our website. But for now, you'll be able to see it in person over at the Cars Racing Show. So we certainly hope that you join us there. Now, I might pop out another video next week. We'll see what happens. But in the meantime, I want to thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video. P.S. Hit that subscribe button.